Welcome to physics class, page 143, question 1. How does force of gravitation between two objects change when the distance between them is reduced to half? From universal law of gravitation, F equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. According to question, when r dash, it will become half r by 2. Let us fill the value here. F equal to g, this will be f dash. G m1 m2, radius will become r by 2 square. It will become g m1 m2 upon r square upon 4, means it will move there. It will be f dash equal to 4f. What does it mean? That the force of the gravitation becomes 4 times its original value. New force is f dash and it will become 4 times than that of the original force. Question 2. Gravitational force act on all objects in proportion to their masses. Why then a heavy object does not fall faster than a light object? The acceleration with which a body falls towards the earth is constant and is independent of the mass of the body. Thus, all bodies fall with the same acceleration irrespective of their masses. That's why a heavy body does not fall faster than the lighter body. Question 3. What is the magnitude of the gravitational force between the earth and a 1 kg object on its surface? Given mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Mass of the object m, that is 1 kg. Mass of the earth, capital M, it is given, which is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Radius of the earth denoted by capital R, which is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters. We have to calculate gravitational force F. As we know, it is G mm upon r square. Let us fill the value. Value of universal gravitational constant 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into mass of the earth 6 into 10 to the power 24 into mass of object 1 kg. R square, value of R 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 square. 6.67 into 6 into 1 divided by 6.4 square. 6.4 into 6.4. Now we'll write these powers. 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 24, and it will be written as 6 to the 12, means 10 to the power 12. When it move here, it will become 10 to the power minus 12. We will remove the decimal points now. 667 into 6 ones are 6 upon 64 into 64 into 10 to the power 24 minus 11 minus 12. It will become 23. 667 into 6, it will be 4002 into 24 minus 23, 10 up. 64 multiplies 64, 4096. When we solve it, answer will be 0.977 into 10 in turn, which will become 9.8. This is force, that's why it will be Newton. Question 4. The earth and the moon are attracted to each other by gravitational force. Does the earth attract the moon with a force that is greater or smaller or the same as the force with which the moon attracts the earth? Why? Gravitational force with which a body attracts another body is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction to the gravitational force with which a body attracts the another body. Thus, the magnitude of the force with which the earth attracts the moon is equal to the magnitude of the force with which the moon attracts the earth. Thus, both the earth and the moon attracts each other with equal forces. Question 5. If the moon attracts the earth, why does the earth not move towards the moon? The acceleration produced in the earth due to the force exerted on it by the moon is very small as the mass of the earth is very large. Hence the movement of the earth toward the moon is not noticed. Question 6. What happens to the force between two objects if the mass of one object is doubled, distance between the object is doubled and tripled, masses of both objects are doubled? Let us understand this one by one. We know that F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. First part, if mass of one object is doubled, F equal to G 2 m1, mass is doubled, m2 upon r square. It will become 2 G m1 m2 upon r square, which is F. Okay, now it will become 2F. What does it mean? Thus, gravitational force between the two objects get doubled. B part, distance between the object is doubled. Then F is equal to G m1 m2, distance got doubled, 2r square. It will become G m1 m2, 2 to the 4 r square, means 1 upon 4 f. G m1 m2 upon r square is f. Thus, gravitational force between the two objects become 1/4. If distance becomes tripled, then F equal to G m1 m2 upon r, it becomes 3 times G m1 m2, 3 3s are 9r square. It will become 1/9. Means gravitational force will become between the two objects becomes 1/9. C part, masses of both objects are doubled. F equal to G 2 m1 2 m2 upon r square, means 2 to the 4 G m1 m2 upon r square, in turn which is 4F. Means gravitational force between the two objects become 4 times. Now, on the basis of previous videos, you have to answer these question number 7 to 11 yourself. Okay, you have to write the possible answers in your notebook, and we will discuss rest of the questions in my next video. Thank you for watching.